All right, everyone. First of all, thank you so much. So, on this webinar, and in this webinar, we are going to do market analysis as we announced in a Discord community, and I will cover the most tradable pair in a forex market, gold, and bit crypto market as well as okay. And after finish the market analysis, I will do question answer session. So you can, if you have any queries, okay, so you can ask me. End of the session. Okay, so no need to worry anything. All right, let's start the analysis, and I will start from the Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, Bitcoin, and Nifty as well as here. Okay, so we are going to start from the Euro USD here, and what happening here in a higher time frame, and what we can expect in a lower time frame right here. Okay, okay, so let's start here the higher time frame picture that what happening here and what we can expect here. Okay, so let's switch here in a daily time frame. Based on daily time frame, the picture is still bearish because market create a chalk, and when market create a chalk, then market momentum looking for the reversal because the previous structure here was bullish and everything was bullish here till this point, right? Because the market creating higher high and break the structure and confirm a valid break of structure, and after that what happening at this point, market suddenly push downside and break the main low, or when market break the main low, it means market momentum change bullish to bearish here, and now looking for the sell here at this point here. Okay, so it means market momentum was bullish and now turn into bearish. So we are looking for the sell if market momentum break the main low and create a chalk, and we can sell on decisional PY and extreme PY. So right now, where is a decisional, and decisional, as you know, market already grabbed and failed. Okay, because this was our previous inducement here, because after chalk here, the first pullback is a called inducement, like in a higher time frame. Okay, so basically, this PI is our decisional PI here, market tap here, give a small reaction here, and then what happened? Market failed. So which point we can sell? We can sell on extreme. Extreme, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order flow, because order flow is our primary and order block is the next part. But in this lag, everything is mitigated here. Means all order flow is already mitigated. So every order flow is mitigated. So in this case, we have to identify where is our unmitigated order block. Look at this one. You have to start from the top of the move. So top of the move, the proper imbalance point is here, right? So this is our unmitigated supply zone when we can expect that if it has step here and market create anything here in a lower time frame, because this one is a daily time frame. If market create here in a 2 hour, 3 hour time frame, any chalk flip, then we can sell here, and we are anticipating a major move downside. Okay. So right now, what happening in this situation? In this situation, this is our internal structure. So you have to check here what happening in internal structure. Internal structure market must be taken out to confirm a buy. When market fail the decisional POI here, okay, fail here, and if market fail here, so we can expect that market looking for the buy, but we can buy till the extreme POI mitigation here. This one is already mentioned in a trading plan ebook, sorry, in a PDF section, right? So this one is our same thing happen here. Market taken out this inducement here, and we are looking for the buy on the decisional POI. So fail here, and market create a inducement, and this is happening here internal structure. Tap on this last selling move before the buy is here, right? So price type here and mitigate and go higher. But in this lag, you have to again identify, like this one is our structure, something like this. But in this lag, market not create any kind of inducement. So if price not create any inducement, so we can assume the previous May low high as a major inducement. Sorry, you can mark as an inducement because in this lag there is no inducement. So we can mark the main inducement is here. Price taken out and push higher high, and now we are looking for the continuation to the upside till this extreme POI. But the first target will be here, right? Price must be taken out this high, right? Otherwise, you can continue buy till the extreme POI mitigation here. If price type here and create any lower time reversal, then we can sell. Otherwise, price can be continuation and create a higher time frame chalk for the continuation to the upside. Okay, so it's all about probability. You have to think about it. A probability. Right now, the structure is a bullish because most of the trader are doing day trading. So you have to follow the current price action is here, and what if we can expect today and tomorrow. So this is enough for as a day trader. Okay. So this is a long-term perspective because a few members trade in a swing trading and positional trader. That's why I'm saying here. Okay, because same principle applicable in a lower time frame, 15-minute and 1 hour time frame, right? So the current situation is here that market created a like bullish structure here. Everything is a bullish here, right? So now what are you looking here? Simply we are looking for the buy to the upside. So this is our bullish structure here. This is a 1 day time frame, and you can follow here 1 hour time frame for the taken out inducement in the structure, and we can buy to the upside. Right now here the inducement taken out, and after taking out the inducement market get chalk, and you can see here the previous highs are broken, and we are looking for the buy to the upside, right? This is a like a higher structure. Technically, this is a higher structure, but internal structure. So simply you have to follow the 1 hour time frame as a day trading perspective. So this is happening here in a 1 hour time frame. Right now, the market, the previous high create previous lower lows, and previous lower lows, lower high and lower low. So this is our major structure here. Previous highs are broken, and that's called chalk. And when market create chalk, and we are looking for the reversal to the upside, right? And again, what are you looking here? We are looking here for the again buy to the upside. So which point we are looking for the buy, right? Look at this one. You have to identify where is our inducement and where up we can buy. Simply we can buy after taking out the inducement. So where is our inducement? Look at this one, and this is our become our highest point is here, higher high is here, right? This is our higher high is here. Again, we have you have to identify where is our inducement. Inducement technically here. Once market taken out the inducement, simply we are looking for buy to the upside, right? After taking out the inducement, simply we are looking for the buy to identify unmitigated order block and order flow. Look at this one. In this case, we can see only two order flow is here. First one is here, the bottom of the move, this one, and the next one is here, this one, right? So basically we have a two unmitigated order flow where we can expect that if price continue going higher high and market create anything here, simply we can buy here. So this is our PY. But here what happened here? If price taken out the inducement and close below it, okay, and sweep below it, so it's depend, okay. So in this case, look at this one. What happened here? Market just close below it. So if price close below it, so simply you have to identify that if we can buy after higher time frame chop, because look at this one, what I'm trying to explain here. For example, this one is our inducement and your PY is here, okay. So simply what are you looking here? We are looking here for buy after higher time frame chop, taken out inducement and buy, okay, as we have done in a previous weekly webinar, and we have I saw in a back testing session, okay, where I mentioned these things, okay, in a details. So if you miss, you can watch the previous weekly webinar, okay, in this in a detail. So when market taking out the higher time frame inducement and close below it, so simply you have to identify the structure, higher time frame, same time frame, chalk and inducement and buy here. And the next thing is here, if market just sweep the inducement, right? If market sweep the inducement, so we can buy here based on single candle order block as well as for the buy to the upside. In this case, if price not tap any PY, okay, so this thing applicable when price not tap any PY and market just taken out the inducement and create a chalk or create a like SUV. So right now price close below. So in this case, we have to identify where is our chalk, and then we can consider as a valid buy. And remember one more thing is here, price must be close above it to consider a chalk, not a sweep, right? So in this case, where is our like a chalk here? This one, because this was our first pullback is here, which is must be broken. So we can buy. So in the first attempt, market just sweep the liquidity, means sweep the previous high. So this is not a chalk here. This is just liquidity here. So if price grab the liquidity, so it means we are looking here for the clear opportunity for the buyer. This is a short-term sell here. You can see so many times market grab the liquidity right here, but market not able to close over it. If price close over it and taken out the inducement, simply we can buy here. For example, price going higher high and close over it. So what are you looking at? We are looking here for the buy After taking out this inducement, price push downside and mitigate your order flow is here. And we are looking here for buy to the upside right here. Okay. Now, what are you looking here? You can see market again push downside. If price push downside, then we are looking here for buy on this undecisional PY. And another thing is here, if price again trying to break any chalk flip, then we can buy here. So what happened here? Price break this high, means this one is a valid pullback here. You can see. So if price close of it, it means we are looking here for the buy, right? And this is happening in this structure here. Look at this one. What I'm trying to explain here. Higher time frame bullish, taking out the inducement, price close below it, and your PY is far away from this inducement, so we can buy in the same time frame chalk inducement, and we can buy. So price create chalk here, close over it. We need inducement. So where is our inducement? Look at this one. This is our inducement simply, right? Push downside, okay, and we need a induce. We need to wait for it to mitigate your unmitigated PY. So where is our unmitigated PY here? This one, right? This one is our unmitigated PY here. No, this is a not unmitigated PY because actual candle is here, not there. Because this candle is broken by this one, and there is a no unmitigated order block or any order flow or imbalance. There is nothing here. Everything is mitigated here. So simply, if market mitigate all the things, simply in that case, we can buy or sell. A main low is a sweep. Okay. So technically, we can buy the previous low is a broken and create here any SUB. We can take risk here for the buy. And remember one more thing, this is a decisional entry here for the buy. Okay, you can take a additional confirmation for the buy in a lower time frame, right? But this is a decisional probability. Why this is decisional? Because of your actual PI is here. Price can be a small reaction and failed, and to mitigate this one, and then create any chalk flip, then which will be more high probability compared to this one. Okay, if price create here in a first attempt, okay, because price sweep too many times in a bottom and top side in internal structure, if price close below it and create here chalk like something like this, okay, and go higher and taken out this inducement and mitigate this PY here. So this is our bullish structure, and this has become our little bit higher probability entry for the buy to the upside. Okay, so same thing happen here. Okay, so now let's see what happening next here in a next time market again break the previous high and close of it. If price close of it, so this point become our chop. Sorry, boss, because market looking for the continuation to the upside. Again, price close of it, and this point become our higher low at this point here, right here. Take the structure pushing downside, and now again we need inducement. So which point we are looking for the inducement? This point, but market not taken out. If market not taken out any inducement, so we can consider this as a inducement. Right now you can see this one. This one looks like relative equal low, right? But price not close by it. So which point market taken out the inducement here? And next attempt just sweep this one, and here we can see there is no inducement. So technically this point become our new inducement here, and this is will be transfer. Okay, so price must be taken out this inducement. If price taken out this inducement, then we can consider this is a zone when we are looking for the buy to the upside, right? At the current price action, we can see some short-term move to the downside till this a PY mitigation. So this is a bullish structure in a Euro USD in a 1 hour time frame right here. Okay, and as you know, in our daily time frame, market fail to decisional PY and trying to market mitigate extreme PY. So simply we can short-term buy till extreme PY mitigation in a lower time frame, as well as to follow the 1 hour and 15-minute time frame. Okay. Now let's switch here in another. Here is here CPST. Let's switch here in a daily time frame first. What happening here? In a ZPST is a similar story here, like create after break of structure. This was our previous structure was created here. The last break of structure happened here. and again push downside and break this low and create similar story like euro USD. And this is an extreme POI, and market trying to push down upside to mitigate the extreme POI. If price tap here and create lower time frame reversal, then we can sell. Otherwise, we can continue to the upside and maybe market create another chalk open. Okay. I'm confused with the IDM. 1 hour IDM. Let me clear the 1 hour euro USD. Look at this one. What happened here? Let me clear the this thing. In a first attempt, market this one is a create inducement. After create inducement, what are you looking here? Simply we are looking this become our higher high, right? And again, what happened here? Market break this structure and confirm this point become our next break of structure. So it means if price close over it, so this point become our peak of structure. But in this case, you can see there is no pullback here. So if no pullback, no inducement, right? So in that case, the actual low become our new inducement. So technically what happened in this case, market push downside and taken out this inducement. So this high transfer here to here, right? And this inducement transfer here to here. So there is no use of this portion right here. Okay. So that's why this high convert here to here. And this was is a transfer here to again on this point above the high. Right. That's why. Okay. Thank you. Not this one. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. You are talking about this one. Yes, this one is absolutely correct. Sorry. Of course, this is our higher high and higher low. Right. Now it's perfect. Right. This was our higher high and sorry, this was my mistake. So this is inducement taken out, push downside, and again break this high and confirm another break of structure here. And now again, we are looking here for the buy after taking out the inducement and mitigate this PY and then continue go higher. Okay. Okay. Now everything is fine. Perfect. Again, switch in a GPUSD. Let's switch here in a daily time frame first. So in a daily time frame structure, like similar story as a GPUSD right here. So we are looking here for the buy to the upside till extreme PY mitigation here, right? So let's see. This is a bullish structure and there is nothing special here in a 1 day time frame. You have to switch here in a 1 hour time frame to see exactly. Market doing chalk and chalk because market grabbing liquidity and manipulating. That's why. Okay. So this is our 1 day time frame, 1 hour time frame. When you, sir, I will ask, I will respond your question answer in a end of the session. So no need to worry. Please keep patient. Okay. So this is a 1 hour time frame in a GPUSD, right? And everything is a bullish here and market looking for the continuation to the upside. And this was our previous structure here. This was our internal structure here. And at the point, we are looking here for the buy after taking out the inducement right here. So where is our inducement in this case? Technically, we'll see this is our first pullback and price must be taken out this one. And after that, we can buy here on decisional PY here because just below it, everything is mitigated here, right? Everything is mitigated here. So we can buy here. If market create anything bullish structure here, simply we can buy here till this high. And also, we can expect the continuation by till extreme PY mitigation in a 1 hour, so in 1 day time frame in a GPUSD. Okay. Now switch here in a gold here. Let's switch here in a weekly time frame. What happening here? Look at this one. What happening here? We are expecting that if price taken out the liquidity here, right here, and anticipating this was our liquidity candle which grabbed the liquidity and mitigate this one, and we are expecting that if price continues to push downside, and then our target will be here, right? So this is our expectation that if price taken out this one, then we can continue go higher. And also I mentioned that if price close over it, so this point become our valid pause because the price close over it right now. You can see in a one day time, in a weekly time frame, price close over it. It means market looking for the continuation to the upside, and now everything looks bullish here and everything going higher high, right? The previous structure was created here at this point, right here, and now turn into bullish structure here in a gold, right? And this is one is our previous higher high here and previous high low here. And why this move happen here confirm because the previous now price close over it. Okay, and now we are looking for the buy to the upside. And where is our inducement? In this case, the current pullback is here. So this point become our inducement here. Price must be taken out, and after taking out the inducement, simply we are looking here for the buy to the upside as per the higher time frame perspective. But right now in a 1 hour time frame, you can see the market momentum is a bullish here and everything looks bullish here, right? So what are you looking here? We are looking here for buy after taking out the inducement. There is no inducement right now is taken out and everything looks bullish here, right? If price taken out the inducement, then we can consider any bullish momentum to the upside. But currently, you will see in a 1 hour time frame, the price taken out the previous pullback liquidity and tap on this 1 hour SUB. We can expect a short-term sell till this low right here. Why? Because market is a bullish and taken out the previous high. If price taken out the previous high in a bullish market, so we can expect a sell move till the first recent pullback is there. Okay, and this is our SUV here, right? And price must be taken out. Tap here, and after tap this one, and we can switch here in a 5 minute time frame chalk flip. Then we can sell. The first pullback is here. So this is our target. If you are selling here, then you have to set your target here. Okay, so this is happening here in a gold in a 1 hour time frame, in a 5 minute time frame. This is a zone and we can expect. So basically, you have to identify where is our unmetered order block is here. So simply on extreme point is here. So probably that if price type here and create anything is here. So simply you can sell. Also, we can sell here if price type here and create any lower time frame chalk flip, and then we can sell like inducement, mitigate this one and create chalk inducement and sell. And this is your target. Instagram, what is the PY next for us? This one? This is a PY here. Yellow point is our PY based on five in a 1 hour time frame, and this is our 5 minute refinement PY. If price tap here and create chalk flip, then we can also sell here. Okay, because in a gold right now there is not any clear crystal uh, PI mitigation because market in a impulsive move. Okay, so you have to wait for it to take out the inducement. Okay, so like so it will choose PY order flow, the second order flow, and so in that case, like all order flow is already mitigated. That's why I choose this one. Okay, now switch here in a Bitcoin, and let me finish the few pair, and after that I will read your question answer. Okay, market create or now all time high is here. Yes. Now market looks everything as a bullish here, and this was our extreme PY, which point we are expecting a sell here. Now market turn into bullish momentum here, I think looks bullish here, right? And if price close it, so we can see some a bullish momentum in our crypto market as well as here. Okay, now everything continue going higher high. US 30. Yes, sir. I will include, no worry. Okay, so let me check the lower time frame structure that what happening here. If anything is happening here. This was our fake selling here. And probably we are looking here for the market trying to go higher. This was sell. Again, liquidity sweep here. There is no any bullish indication. Probably market take a closing mitigation and go higher like this. Nearest to 1 day time frame, make you choose the unmitigated weak as a seasonal PY where there's an unmitigated order block is also a player because the unmitigated shadow only grab the liquidity. That's why this become more looks more strong for the PY actually after taking out the inducement in terms of the recent PY. When we have a manipulation of the inducement with a candle closing, okay, should we take a single candle order block like if we have shadow and it will be multiple candles. After taking out the inducement, market must be price close above the next candle, like create a SUB before the buy and sell, but market sweep the inducement in that case. Okay, you can buy or sell after taking creating the SUB, then we can buy. So the candle is close or below the higher time frame inducement to be valid. Yes. Okay. The bank nifty. Let's look at the daily time frame first. What happening here? In a daily time frame structure is still bullish here and everything is a bullish. And this was our previous structure here. Break this one, create a new higher high. And this was our mitigation. Break this high. And we are looking here for the buy to the upside, jog inducement and buy. Right now, we are expecting that if price taken out this pullback here, push downside, mitigate this order flow here, and we can buy to the upside. Okay. The last selling move before the buy is here. Okay. And this one become our inducement. Okay. So this is our after taking out the inducement price must be tapped this one and then we can continuation to the upside right here. Okay. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame in a bank nifty. Okay, in a 1 hour time frame is a similar story. After taking out the inducement, price must be tapped on your PY, then we can continuation on this order flow here, order block. Because this one is our pullback. No, this one is also looks internal move, right? So technically this one become our inducement. So price must be tapped this one, taken out this one, and mitigate this zone here, and then we can confirm the bullish momentum to the upside right here. Okay, now let's see in a US 30. And after that, I will read your question answer one by one. Start from daily time frame. What happening here? In our daily time frame structure is still bullish here, and this one is here. Liquidity grab here. sell, break this and close of it. And now what are you looking here? Sell, and we can buy here, obviously, because market grab the liquidity here at this point. When market grab the liquidity, in that case, we don't need to wait for taking out the investment before the buy to the upside. So technically, can buy here on this order block, price type here and create reaction, and we can buy till this high, right? And if I switch here in a 1 hour time frame, in a 1 hour time frame, market not create any kind of chalk or flip, anything is here. This is happening here, internal structure. Price can be bullish after break this high and close of it. So right now, market just sweep the liquidity. If sweep the liquidity, the previous high. So short term, possibly we can sell here till this low, right here, right? At least price must be taken out this low before to continue go higher. Otherwise, if price went up and close of it, so we are expecting inducement, mitigation, and buy to the upside. Otherwise, we have another chance here, sell till this low, and possibly a reversal to the upside right here. Okay, why? Because just below it, you will see this is a liquidity grab here, and after liquidity grab here, we are looking here for the sell based on SUB entry model here. This was here. This is a liquidity grab here, closing, next rally mitigation, and push downside. And this is our target. This is a 1 hour time frame. Let me switch here in a 5 minute time frame. Then we can understand what happening here. Look at this one. This is a zone where we are expecting that price must be tap here and create any lower time frame reversal and chalk flip, and then we can sell. So possibly the first inducement here, and this is the first view here when we are looking for the sell, and the next one is here, extreme. So basically, we have a two POI here. First one is here and decisional, and this is an extreme. Price failed the decisional and market not create here any kind of entry here for the sell, right? Simply, you have to wait for it to create the structure, like either break this low, okay, either break this low and push higher and sell. And one more possibility is here, if market continue go higher high to mitigate the extreme PY and then create chalk flip, and then we can sell here. So there's a two-way to trade for the buy and sell in a US 30 based on 5 minute time frame to following the 1 hour SUV right here, right? What is valid and invalid measure and minor inducement? So measure and minor inducement is a two-way. First one is here, the if market momentum is a bullish here. Okay, let me mark this one. Like the market structure is a bearish here. Okay, and then what happened here? We are looking for the inducement, right? And the technically, where is our measure and minor inducement? You can see this is our lower low here, right? But technically, market break the structure here, and we are looking for the inducement. So where is our inducement here? And what is this? This is our minor inducement. Why? Because this is a part of this lag, means swing between this high and low, right? So this can be our minor inducement right here, but major inducement is here. Like market must be taken out this one, and then possibly a large move to the downside. This is the one is our first way to identify major and minor inducement. And the next one is here. If price like continue pushing higher high and upside, in this case, you will see this is a higher high, break the structure, and this is a higher low, right? But market not create here any inducement. So this point become our inducement right here and go higher. This one is our measure, and this high transfer here to here. So technically this point become our like this. Okay. Let's read your question answer one by one. Please ask one by one, then I can answer your queries. The trading hub 4.0 will be based on price action or SMC. The 4.0 will be based on the liquidity concept. Okay, and some new concept to make easy to trade for everyone. And I will do very simplify for everyone. Okay. you put the live trade on? Yes, definitely I will do, but you have to wait for it to launch the 4.0. As I announced that I will start live trading as well as for everyone. ETH. So ETH, I think very few members I think trade in Ethereum. That's why. Let me check the weekly time frame first. What happening here? Ethereum is also looks bullish here, and everything looks bullish here. And if market continue going higher high in a crypto market, fundamentals work very well, and manipulation is as well as. So we can see momentum in a Ethereum for the long term perspective. Right now, market looks bullish here. Simply market take any pullback and create any opportunity in a lower time frame, so we can buy. Let me check the 4 hour time frame to see exactly this one. This was our point here when we can buy. The liquidity graph here, this is zone. Take a pullback and continue going higher. But market not create here any strong momentum. You can see the market trying to push downside. So probably market we will see a short-term move before the buy to the upside here, because the previous low is a taken out here. So it means liquidity graph here continue going higher high. So we can expect a continuation to the upside in a Ethereum. So can you tell me the 4.0? Sir, I already mentioned so many times that 4.0 will be released end of the June month. I'm asking you, go over S&P 500. Okay, let me check here. S&P 500 is here. In a 1 day time frame, the still bullish here and everything looks bullish here. So right now, you can see based on candlestick formation, the market was bullish and market take a small pullback. So if market take a pullback, so simply we can buy here after lower time frame mitigation. So you have to definitely check the 1 hour time frame to exactly right. This is a one hour time frame. In a 1 hour time frame, you will see the structure is still bullish here. This was previous higher high and this is a higher low. Take the structure, ignore the inducement, and market must be mitigate your decisional or extreme PY. So this is our PY. Price must be tap here, and then we can continue go higher in S&P 500 based on 1 hour time frame, right? So price must be tap here before to continue go higher. Market just sweep or close below above the previous high or low. Perfectly PY failed. If on a PY, if market sweep, it means we can expect a continuation as we have planned. But if price close the P below or above the PY, so that means market fail those PY. Please explain single candle mitigation. So single candle mitigation, I already mentioned in a ebook and video course section, and so many times discussed in a past webinar. So you have to check them, and also you have to study first all about the single candle mitigation, right? Please don't do spam, otherwise system automatically remove you. Please don't. Please create a form where we can ask. Simply you can ask on Telegram. Sometime I'm not available because so many pending messages. That's why. So no need to worry about it. JPY. There are only two valid POI after the inducement. What if the inducement is manipulated? Okay. So if it means we have a three PYs, does the inducement not affect the other PY, the or the main door? So after taking out the inducement means sweep the inducement. If market create any SUB entry model, so simply we can buy. Otherwise, if close below, so we can buy after chalk as we have mentioned the same time frame chalk, and then buy. If not this one, so simply you can watch the previous webinar. We have cover this topic in a very detail. Okay, right. Otherwise, you can wait for to mitigation the PY, then we can buy. Okay, let's check the GPJPY in a higher time frame first, like daily time frame. In a daily time frame structure is a bullish. In a GPJPY, everything is a bullish here, right here. And simply we are looking here for the buy after taking out the inducement. So where is our inducement and where is our unmitigated order flow? The last selling move before the buy is here. But this move is, I think, looks mitigated. No, unmitigated here. Okay, so simply this is our PY and this one is our inducement here. And after taking out the inducement, press mitigate this one PY and then continue going higher high. Right. This one is our daily time frame. Let me check the 1 hour time frame. In a 1 hour time frame, still market trying to push downside. So simply we can sell after taking out the inducement and mitigation your PY right here. The last buying momentum before the sell is here. So if price came back this one and then we are expecting a downside move right here. Okay, and why? Because the previous low is a broken here and taken out of the inducement, mitigation your PY and push downside. That's why. So how to get a one trade per day in a 1 hour time frame? Simply you can follow the one or two pairs. You can okay, two and max three pair in a time. Risk on funded account. Simply you can take 0.25% to risk on a single trade. Risk management video definitely I will add in a 4.0. Okay. Which confirmation do you take most of the entry, chalk flip or SAV? Technically, I wait for chalk and then I take a lower time frame additional confirmation as a SAV for the additional confirmation in a lower time frame before the buy and sell, which will gives you more confidence before the buy and sell. What time frame you recommend for the high probability entry? You can simply follow the 1 hour time frame and 5 minute for the entry. So always do you have to refine your PY, find a 1 minute PY. If you are following the 15 minute higher time frame, then definitely you have to refine the 1 minute refine PY, wait for mitigation and wait for reaction, and then we can. Actually, this will gives you more clarity before the buy and sell in a lower time frame. That's why this is important. Otherwise, you can follow the 1 hour and 5 minute concept as well as for Bank Nifty. What is most entry type for you will see chalk flip or SEBI. In Bank Nifty, you will see most of the time after chalk and market tap follow the order flow. Okay, not order block. Most of the time market react from order flow. Liquidity shape, mitigation order flow, and then buy sell. Aussie USD mapping. Okay. This was our Aussie USD market analysis I share in a Discord community as well as. So this was happening here. I think in a 15-minute time frame I share. Let's check this one. Yes, definitely. Actually, what happened here at this point? This was our liquidity grab here. Take this one and push downside, and everything was very here. And we are expecting a downside move. Again, we are expecting downside here if market taken out create inducement, but price not create any kind of inducement. Price continue going higher high. So there is no trade here happen as per our plan. So simply you have to wait for it. Market continue pushing upside. If you follow the 1 day time frame, then you will see what happening here exactly. Yes. Break of structure. Okay, inducement Extreme PI mitigation, push downside. Okay, shock, inducement, and wait for mitigation at this point. Okay, but this one is looks internal range here, right here on the extreme is here. The proper imbalance here. Could it be valid if taken out the inducement with a various close below it? So if price close above or below the inducement, we can also buy or sell the same time frame chop. You have to wait for it. So if any PY type, okay, work as per plan but not hit the target, same PY can be hit that for the again entry. So if price type and create a structure for the entry, okay, but not hit target, but again came back on your same PY, that means market trying to push more liquidity and probably market can hit your extreme PY in that case. So you have to prepare for the both side of probability for the buy and sell. So PY failed means candle close of obviously price close above or below the PY. So means the PYs are failed. If sweep the PY, so in a first attempt, so this can be a just liquidity grab. So can you show me a few example? Okay, how we can trade in a just one time frame without switching into lower time frame? Maybe it's just UCB. So I think I already covered the in a video. Okay, so simply you can watch on YouTube where I mentioned this one that you can simply how you can trade follow the same time frame. You can search on YouTube that SMC versus price action where I cover this topic in a detail. So this will be helpful for you, obviously. Okay, so there's no more analysis and so when we have a two PY, then we can buy or sell you on extreme order block directly. So if you have a two PY like decisional extreme, so simply you can buy or sell directly, but you have to put the stop loss just below or above the PY. Okay. But extreme always higher probability if you are looking for the direct buy entry. But I will suggest you if price tap on your if you are looking for the buy and sell in a higher time frame, higher time frame PY. So simply wait for mitigation and wait for single candle order block for the buy. Don't if you don't try to buy or sell based on chalk flip, so simply you can follow the same time frame SUP for the additional confirmation, which will be helpful for you. Please remove all the old diagram content release 4.0. Yes, sir, I will definitely hide all the things in a 3.0 after release the 4.0 because this can be confused for the other members and especially for the new members. Okay. So once everything will be ready for the launch, then I will remove the all 3.0 content and hide the all content. So you can study the 4.0 and I'm trying to make a simple and easy to read for everyone. So date is not like any fix, but I will try before the zone end of the zone. Okay, first I will release in a Hindi, and after that I will release English version as well as. How's your reliable Ethereum indicator for our studies? Or I never use, and I will not use any kind of indicator to mark any strategy or anything. Simply you can mark manually, which will very very best way to mark them because while you marking the based on indicator, the most of the time the you will see a lagging. Can you give us some hints on a 4.2? Sir, I will announce the table of contents and other things will be released step by step. So no need to worry about them. And I will add only few main topics. And I will make a very simple and easy to read. I think probably 5 to 6 part will be covered in a 4.2. And part will be at least 30 to 1 hour, 1 hour at least. Around 1 hour around the each part and 5 to 6 pair, I think. Okay, so how to trade a reversal after break of structure? Sir, I already mentioned in a video course that how we can trade after break of structure in reversal in a lower time frame. Simply, you have to wait for fake chalk, first fake chalk, and wait for real chalk and inducement and sell. I already mentioned so many times. Please watch them and be helpful for you. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone, to join this webinar. And if you join late, no need to worry, and I will upload on Discord as soon as possible. Okay, and if you have any question here and not mentioned in a chat section, simply you can ask me on Telegram. I will respond to you until your session will be uploaded. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day. Have a nice, great weekend. Thank you.